Hey friends, Kendra here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about hair coloring. I'm super excited. I'm going to be showing you guys how I covered up my gray hairs using Revlon's Permanent Root Erase system. This system is literally so fast, no prep time. You guys are going to love it. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. Guys, I am going on 30 fine, okay? 30 fine, okay? And I'm just starting to see a lot more grays pop up, okay? I'm just starting to see them pop, 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 pop everywhere. And I'm just like, not ready for that, okay? So I'm going to be covering up my grays. I want my roots to remain dark, so I'm gonna be using a dark color. I'm actually gonna be using this Revlon Permanent Root Erase. I am super excited about this. Apparently this is a 5-minute system. And you know how busy us moms are. I have 2 teenagers and they already keeping me busy. So I don't really have time to be focused too much on, you know, sitting for long periods of time, waiting for the hair color to blah, blah, blah. Hopefully this helps. 5 minutes is all you need. I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's get rid of these gray hairs. All right, you guys, so let me give you guys a close-up look of what my grays look like. They're mostly concentrated on the sides of my head, so that's what I'm gonna be covering up today. And before we get started, the directions say to go ahead and section off the hair that you're gonna be coloring. If it's all of your roots, I would suggest you section it off into like 4 sections just to make it easier to apply. Of course, the package comes with gloves, and all that I had to do was remove this top here, okay? It came with a top that acts as a bowl, and this top is going to allow me to put the hair color into it, and it has like a marker on it where you would stop, okay? If you're gonna be doing one application, there's a line at the bottom of this little plastic top, and I just added as much as I felt like I would need, okay, into this top, and I stirred it around and mixed it well. So I'm taking the brush that comes with the hair color, and I'm just putting it on the roots of my hair. I'm not necessarily going, and some parts of my hair is short and other parts are longer. So the parts that are longer, I'm just, you know, hitting the roots of my hair. I'm not getting the ends of my hair because there's no grays there because my hair is color treated. So here you see me just applying the color to the root of the hair. Literally, you guys, this took me like 2 minutes to do because I don't have much hair. So you can just watch me apply the hair color, and I'm just using the applicator brush to kind of section off my hair and apply the color where it's needed. So this system is so simple and easy to use. I really didn't have any prep that I needed to do. The only thing I needed to do was mix the hair color into the top. And the applicator is really professional, okay? With no bristles falling off in my hair, that's for sure. So it was a really nice sturdy brush that helped me to cover all of my grays. All right, you guys, so I have rinsed the hair with warm to cool water, and I rinsed it until the water ran clear, okay? Just to ensure I got it all out. But check out my results, you guys. No more grays, and the color matched my hair perfectly. All right, you guys, I am completely done with the process. I am so satisfied with the way that my hair looked. The dark brown worked really well on my hair. It blends in nicely, and I am just amazed at how fast like the hair color worked. Even though it says that it only takes 5 minutes, I actually let it sit on for a little bit longer just to ensure that my grays were covered, okay? And since this is permanent, I won't have to worry about them popping back out. And the great thing about this is that you get 3 uses out of this. So, and I will probably get more than 3 uses because I only use it on my sides. So I only used a little bit, you guys. Like seriously, as much as I poured into that cap, that's all that I use to cover my gray hairs. And keep in mind that it's available in 13 shades, so you guys have a lot to choose from. Even if you're color treated, I'm pretty sure you'll find your shade. So that's the great thing about it as well. It's 2019 and ain't nobody got time to be going to the hair salon and sitting for hours and waiting for some hair color. So this is the perfect at-home remedy for you. It's fast, it's efficient, it works well well, as you can see. Kudos to you, Revlon. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the hair color, definitely post them in the comment section below. Please check the description box for all information on the color, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.